Merlin, the magic mouse. That's me, Second Banana, the world's greatest magician. Come, my fans await within. Okay, my boy, go count the house.
Right, Merlin. Boy, you're improving. The audience is double what it was last night.
How nice, how nice.
Last night you played to an empty house. Tonight there's one. One cat.
A cat?
Uh-huh. And when he finds out you're a mouse, there's gonna be trouble.
Fiddledy-stacks. I'll put on one of my clever disguises.
Merlin, help!
Fasten your seatbelt. Where's our next booking, Second Banana?
Peoria?
Ah, yes, lovely place. Peoria, here we come. And Peoria, here I come. In that case, we open in Hoboken.